It's Rita Andrews with Steps for Success. Thank you so much for stopping by my page. Please register for one of my upcoming events. Today is December 30th, so we just got done with this here workshop and all of my workshops. If you haven't seen them, you can definitely go back and watch the replays on my YouTube channels. And these were all my videos are at right now for the workshops. All the workshops I do provide notes and things like that, recap notes. We're using right now, we're talking about Chat GPT and how to get your game plan together. We talked about creating content for your social media handles using Chat GPT and this app called Revin. So this also talks about the 2026 game plan. This is some of the content that I've created with this app. And this is an invite only app. So if you want this app, just email me and I can get it over to you. You can try it out. Also, I'm able to create videos on here. We use also Google Gemini. We've got videos added in here as well. We talk about creating landing pages, right? So this is my workshop landing page where you can see people who came out to my workshops and just some testimonies they gave me. I have all my upcoming events in here. So this, we talk about creating workshops. Once again, if you are on the Eventbrite page, please click the follow button and then just share it with somebody. We're looking to help as many business owners or anyone that's really wanting to learn about how to use AI tools. We talk about websites, show you how to get up and running fast as possible. We talk about funnels, and then we also talk about automation. Okay, so definitely go to the website, go over here. If you're on this page, definitely follow and register for one of my upcoming events. Okay, all right, look forward to seeing you. Thanks again. And this is Rita Andrews with Steps for Success. You can email me at rita@stepsforsuccess.org. Bye-bye.